In this video, I will show you how to delete apps on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. To get started from your Windows 11 desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type settings, and then open up your settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto apps just down here, and then what you want to do is click onto installed apps. What that's going to do is bring up a list of all the installed apps on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. From here, what you can do is just scroll down to find the app you want to uninstall, or alternatively you can use the search box at the top and type the name of the app that you want to delete. Now in this example, I'm going to use Spotify. What you want to do once you found the app you want to delete is if you come to the right hand side of the app, click onto the three dots over here where it says more options, you're going to find the uninstall option. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is uninstall this from your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Just note, some programs do have their own built-in uninstaller. In the case of Spotify, you can see that's just uninstalled automatically, but sometimes you might need to follow through some steps for the built-in uninstaller for a specific app or program. So that's how to delete apps on PC on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.